What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a 90s glow to your graphics, kind of like how I did it here in this graphic I made for Mua Kick. After you finish your initial composition, you're going to group all of the layers together like so. Duplicate the group. Convert that group into a smart object. If you're not able to because your scratch disks are full, watch this video here. I'll tell you how to clear them. Another alternative is to merge the group and then turn that layer into a smart object. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and then here you can adjust how much of a glow you want on your graphic. So for this video, I'm just going to put it at 12. Click OK. Then in your layers panel, change it from normal to lighten. And boom, there's the glow. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and comment below on what else you'd like to learn. And if you like this hat, you can grab yours in the link below on our team store. Use promo code JessieWooCreative to get 20% off. See you in the next one.